Today we're gonna learn how to form a date that shows only day, weekday, month and year. So select the data, drag it to the right. Now select the date of the day column, hit Ctrl 1 and then go to costume and then just type 2 times D, hit enter. So the date, we can see only day here. So the next column, Control 1 and you go to the costume tab and then just type D 3 times D, hit enter. So all the week of days showing here. And then for a month, select the date, hit Control 1 and then go to costume, type MMM 3 times, hit enter. So the month. For the year, so the date, Control 1, go to the costume tab and then type YYY 3 times, hit enter. There you go. So all the day, weekday, month and year are showing here. Thank you for watching.